Caravan, we doing the rear brakes. 19mm lug nut. Take off your tire. There's your caliper. 2 13mm. One here, one there. You want to remove those? Take off your caliper. Alright, your 2 13s are removed. Now you just take off your caliper. Alright, now you remove your old pads. This piston here is the turn type. So you can either use the tool or you can get you a pair of channel locks, put it on your caliper, and you turn clockwise. You turn clockwise to get your caliper to compress. So let's do that now. Alright, so you would use your channel locks just like that. Now you turn clockwise to push your caliper in. And repeatedly do it until you get it all the way down. Alright, so if you ain't got the slotted tool to do these brakes, you can use a C-clamp with your vice grips. As you turn to the clockwise, you tighten your C-clamp and it will compress your piston. Alright, I got my piston fully compressed and my new pads are in. I'm going to reinstall my caliper now. Alright, caliper reinstall. Now you put back in your 2 number 13s right there and right there and tighten them down. Alright, once your caliper is reinstalled, just put back on your tire, pump your brake pedal before you move off. And that's the Dodge Caravan rear brake pad replacement. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, hit that like button. See you next time.